Is it recording? What? Dude, I'm filming. Hello guys. Today I'm getting ready for a birthday party and it's gonna be fun and yeah. First I need to take a shower because my hair's kind of greasy. And then I'm going to film me getting ready like last time, but I'm going to be a little bit more tutorial like this time. So I'm going to say kind of what I'm doing. And yeah, it's going to be fun. So I will see you after I'm done with my shower. I'm back. Yeah, my hair's wet, obviously. And I have to cut my lashes. I don't know which lashes I'm gonna wear yet, so I have so many. Okay, so I have so many lashes. I think I'm just gonna... Okay, I think I'm gonna wear these. These are Apollo and MB lashes. Why is it not focusing? Here you go. These are Apollos and MB lashes. Yeah. Use code COURT. Get your first month free. Okay. So I'm going to begin getting ready. I know this lighting's bad, but I'm gonna fix that eventually. But for now, this is what we get. Oh, I forgot my Starbucks. It's fine. Yeah, so first I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I got a new pencil because I run out of this eyebrow pencil all the time. Because it's really good. It's the Benefit Goof Proof. Okay, I'm done with my eyebrows. So next, I carve them out usually if I'm gonna go to like a party, because they just make you look more like snatched and stuff. Okay, for the eyeshadow base, I'm gonna use the Fenty concealer in the shade 110 because I want my eyeshadow to like pop, and this is like a really light shade. I think it comes in a white shade. I don't think it comes in a white shade, that's something else. But this is basically white. It's actually a really good base, I would say, for your eye makeup. And I'm taking the Jeffree Star Morphe sponge, the mini one, and I just like using this sponge for like this reason, and sometimes baking my nose. Okay, so for a transition shade, I think I'm just gonna use like this shade. This is the 35B palette. I know this is sold out, I'm sorry, but I'm gonna use this. Next shade I'm going to use is from the James palette. This bright pink right here. Okay, next shade I'm going to use is from the James palette. This bright pink right here. And I'm going to take this on. I'm just going to use this Jeffree, the JS brush, JS6 brush from Jeffree Star. This is just like a medium-sized crease brush. Just going to go right in the crease. This look is going to stain my eyelids. I'm going to take the JS55 or JS5 brush, not 55. And this is kind of like a fluffy brush. I'm just going to take this shade and run in with the crease and try to make it more in depth, if that makes sense. Yeah, you'll see what I'm talking about. Next shade I'm going to take is a little bit of this dark pink color. Just like a little bit, kind of tap off, just go a little bit deeper in the crease. I'm going to go back in with the JS6 brush, JS6, and I'm going to take this shade and this shade mixed together, and I'm going to kind of go on the inner part of my eye and outer V of my eye, just to like make it more smoky looking, if that makes sense. Okay, so next I'm gonna take this. This is the Laura Lee Party Animal palette. I know a lot of people don't like Laura Lee, but this is the Laura Lee palette. I know that's a little controversial in the beauty world, but I've never used this palette, and it just has this one shade. It says Bottoms Up. It's like really sparkly, so I'm just gonna take that on the lid with a regular flat brush. I'm gonna spray it with some Tatcha skin mist because it looks kind of I don't know, it looks flaky and I don't want pink all over my face. I'm gonna add some lashes and then I'll be right back. So I'm back and I put on my lashes and I already primed my skin using the Makeup Forever Skin Booster. This is really good. This is like similar to the Sicily primer. I couldn't find my Sicily primer or else I was gonna do that. It's kind of sad. I lost a Sicily primer, but I'm not gonna dwell on that. For foundation today, I'm gonna use the Clinique foundation. This is the concealer and the 2-in-1 concealer and foundation. For bronzer, I'm taking the, well, this is contour. For contour, I'm taking the Hoola Quick Contour Stick, just to put right here. So for concealer, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution concealer. This concealer is so good. This is in the shade C4. Okay, on to powder. So for powder today, I'm gonna take, okay, this stuff is so good. It makes me look like I have like a filter on my face. And I've tried a lot of powders. Like, this is my favorite. If you know me, you know I talk about it a lot. Yeah, so I'm taking the Milk Makeup powder. So good. I'm not baking too long because my makeup's not gonna be on that long. I do not want any flashback for tonight because that would be embarrassing. I normally don't have flashback though, so it's a good thing. So I'm gonna bronze my face using this shade. I don't know what it's called because it's a long story. So basically I had to like rearrange these because they came out of the pan. Anyways, I don't know what shade this is called, but it's the bronze, the warmer shade on the Park Princess Avenue Tarte palette. Yeah, I'm gonna take a Sigma E10 brush. Just gonna go, woo. My friend is FaceTiming.
No.
Say hi.
No.
Are you gonna tell me the tea? Okay, so next I'm gonna take, for contour, the Kevyn Aucoin Skin, wait, I don't even know what it's called. The Kevyn Aucoin Sculpting Powder. This might be too light for me, but we shall see. Since I contoured with that powder, I'm gonna take the Fenty powder in the shade Butter, and I'm just gonna clean up my contour. You'll see. I don't know how to describe this. Make your contour look sharp. Now since we have this, it looks sharp. I'm gonna take, okay, this, oh my gosh, this powder's so good. It like works on my tan skin and my my pale skin, I think. Well, I think it will work. But oh, so good. I'm gonna contour my nose with this. I don't go crazy with the nose contour, so I use a Sigma E50 brush. This is a really good contour, or a nose contour brush. Next, some blush. This is from BoxyCharm. I'm pretty sure it's the Pretty Vulgar. I don't know how to pronounce this, but it looks like this. It's in the shade Make Them Blush. Next, what I do is I wipe off the powder right here. Next step, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this. I just got it in the mail. This is the Anastasia Dewy Set Mist. It kind of smells like coconuts, so that's good. For lipstick, I'm going to take the Kylie pencil in the shade Kylie. For lipstick, I'm going to apply the Kylie liquid lipstick in the shade Kylie. This shade is so good. It's my favorite. I think my setting spray has set in. Just on top, I'm going to take the Dewy Skin Mist. Highlighter, I'm going to take the Supreme Frost. This stuff is so good. The Supreme Frost in the shade Wet Dream. For the regular highlight, I'm going to take Supreme Frost on this type of brush, a fluffy brush. Oh, I'm glowing. Oh my gosh, I thought I was recording this whole time. I guess I wasn't, but hi, I'm back. It took me like 30 minutes to find an outfit, but I finally found one. I'm gonna apply the Fenty Body Lava on my chest. I will show y'all when I'm done getting ready fully. I put the Fenty Body Lava on and it's so good. I highly recommend it. And yeah, I think this is gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.
Courtney, don't you need to come to the light so they can see how it works?
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the Body Lava. But yeah, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.